Zanu PF's Gweja wins Masvingo by-election. The 14th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, Zanu PF candidate Simbarash Shanhua, popularly known as Gweja, has clinched victory in the Masvingo Urban Ward 7 by-election, securing 703 votes in what was billed as a crucial test of political strength in the city. But the victory, though decisive on paper, has already been clouded by allegations of intimidation, vote buying, and deep voter apathy, which saw turnout plummet to just 23.49%. Results breakdown. According to official figures, Simbarash Gweja Shanhua Zanu PF, 703 votes. Struggle Desire Nyahunda Independent, 192 votes. Prosper Tarovinga Tiringindi Independent, 119 votes. Sungai Mendati Independent, wife of former councillor Tafara Masimba, 58 votes. Prosper Matarus MDCT, 11 votes. A total of 1,087 ballots were cast, with only 4 spoiled papers, a statistic that underscores the low enthusiasm among Masvingo residents. The most humiliating blow fell on Douglas Mwanzura's MDCT, whose candidate Prosper Matarus managed a mere 11 votes across 9 polling stations. In some centers, he recorded 0 votes. One frustrated campaign worker blasted Mwanzura's leadership, saying, "Mwanzura should leave politics. He has failed as party president, especially in his lack of support for his candidate." Unlike in the Epworth campaign, analysts say the result confirms the MDCT's total collapse as a political force, leaving the opposition space increasingly fragmented between independents and NELSONCHAMISA's CCC loyalists. Allegations of vote buying and coercion. While Zanu PF celebrated Shanhua's win as proof of its dominance in Masvingo, insiders and residents offered a different story. People were promised meal and money. Others were threatened with losing food aid if they didn't vote Zanu PF, claimed one resident who requested anonymity. Reports of such tactics have long dogged Zanu PF by-elections, raising questions about the credibility of the vote and whether electoral victories are genuinely reflective of people's will. For Zanu PF, Shanhua's triumph is a tactical gain, further consolidating the party's hold on Masvingo ahead of the 2028 elections. For the opposition, especially Mwanzura's MDCT, it is a stark confirmation of political irrelevance. Independents may celebrate their relatively strong showing, but their lack of coordination means Zanu PF still emerges as the main beneficiary of a divided opposition.